I grew up moving around a lot, but one of the constants in my life was I always visited my grandparents, both sets of which lived in coastal Massachusetts. One up here on the North Shore in Manchester by the Sea and one down near Cape Cod. I spent a lot of that time scrambling over tide pools, getting stuck in mud, looking for fiddler crabs and pulling green crabs out of little tide pools in the rocks. On and off of boats, in and out of the water, but always around the ocean. Sharing what I've learned in science and conservation, in marine biology, through my photography and writing is what drives most of my projects. When I first started taking photos underwater, it was about finding that prettiest, most pristine ocean shot. And after studying marine biology and spending more time in the ocean, I realized that the things we're doing to the ocean aren't pretty. And documenting those and sharing those things with other people is more important and more impactful. And that's what drives my photography now. My name is Tim Briggs, and I am a science and conservation storyteller.